this is okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses and Nicky wakey till dinner today, hee hee. Unzip your baggiest pants up, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail up for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him like this first shit. You don't see it coming.
Nice.